by virtue of which it tends to regain its original size and shape when the applied force is removed is known as elasticity, and the deformation of caused is known as elastic deformation. If you apply force to a lump of putty or mud, they have no gross tendency to regain their previous shape and they get permanently deformed. Such substances are called plastic, and this property is called plasticity. Stress and strain. The restoring force per unit R is known as stress. Magnitude of the stress F divided by A. The SI unit of stress is N m to the power minus 2, and its dimensional formula is m L to the power minus 1 T to the power minus 2. A cylinder is stretched by two equal force applied the normal to its cross sectional area. The restoring force per unit area in the case is called tensile stress. If the cylindrical is compressed under the action of applied force, the restoring force per unit or area is known as compressive stress. Tensile or compressive stress can also be termed as longitudinal stress. In both the cases, there is a change in the length of the cylinder. The change in the length delta L to the original length L of the body is known as longitudinal strain. Longitudinal strain is equal to delta L divided by L. The restoring force per unit area developed due to the applied tangential force is known as tangential shearing stress. As a result of applied tangential force, there is a relative displacement delta x between opposite faces of cylinder as shown in the figure. The strain so produced in the known as shearing strain, and it is defined as the ratio of relative displacement of the faces delta x to long of the cylindrical L. Shearing stress is equal to delta x divided by L is equal to tan theta.